At 0 by 0. If you see, this is a MAC address. I will copy this and I am going to paste here somewhere here. So I will say this computer is having this IP address and he is having this MAC address. Same like that, I will go here. I will go to configuration. I will go to fast Ethernet. I will copy this MAC address. I will say this computer is having this MAC address. Means this interface LAN card. This LAN card is having this MAC address. This LAN card is having this MAC address. Now if this computer want to send any information, this computer want to send any ping packet or any packet here from here to here, he should know his IP address, he should know where he is sending that IP address, he should know his MAC address, he should know where he is sending that PC MAC address. He know only this one and he know this IP, but he don't know this one. So in that scenario, we will have the concept of ARP. I think starting class we discussed this or no? ARP.
Yes, sir, we did. ARP. Yes,
Yeah.
sir, we did.
So he is going.
Address Restriction Protocol.
Yeah. So this PC is going to send that R packet and R packet is going to bring back to this PC. So this one already we learned, but anyhow let me show you that one before move to the main topic. So if you want to check that one, then we will click the simulation. When we put the simulation, we can click here the packet. I want to send from this PC to this PC. If you see, when I am planning to send the packet from this PC to this PC, you have an extra packet here. This, if I keep my mouse there, you can see ARP. And if you see here, this is the ICMP packet. Ping means ICMP. So when I take from here, click here means I am sending the ping from 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.2. But before sending the ping, I have the ICMP. Sorry, before sending the ping, that is the ICMP, I have the ARP. So ARP packet is a packet which is going to get the MAC address or IP address. So this packet will go from here. He will say, this packet will say to this one, hi, I am coming from 192.168.1.1. This is my MAC address. I need MAC address of this IP. So this guy will reply, okay, hi, my IP is this one and this is my MAC address, and he will send back to this PC. So this procedure is occurring, as we already know before we done, and we check that one. So same concept we have here. If you are using the switch, first time switch don't know anything. Switch don't know anything. So in that scenario, what we can do, switch will do the broadcast. First time switch will do the broadcast. I will show you here. This concept is okay, or if you want I can show you before going to the next topic. This is the packet. If you see, we are calling this is a R packet. If I go here and if I check here, this packet is having the address FFF, means broadcast packet. This packet is saying my MAC address is this one. Okay, 1E2D. If you see, my MAC address is this one, and my IP address is this one. This is my MAC address. This is the target, means destination IP, but I don't know destination MAC address. So this packet is going to get this MAC address wherever we have the 00. So this packet will be broadcast because he don't know where it is. So he will send broadcast. It will go to this PC, and then this PC is going to reply. If you click in, means whatever packet come to his PC, that information you will get. If you click the outbound PDU, then you are going to get what this PC is replying back. So if you see the inbound, that is inbound PDU detail, means he is sending the broadcast packet. He is saying that one, my IP is this one, my source, that is MAC address, is this one, target is this one, target IP, and I need the information for this computer. For this IP I need the information, MAC address of this one. This is the inbound, that is going to PC to, we can say, going to this PC. Now this PC is replying back, and we can see here what he is replying. He is saying that one, okay, this is the destination. He is replying to this MAC address, because when the packet came here, and that packet that time only told this is my MAC address and this is my IP address. So he know that one. So he is replying, okay, my MAC address is this one, my IP is this one, and the target IP is this one, and target MAC address is this one. Means PC2 is sending to PC1 his MAC address. If you see, source MAC address is nothing but this PC2 MAC address, because whoever is sending the data, that PC will become as a source. Now PC2, this 1.2 is sending the information, so this guy will become as a source and he is giving his MAC address in the packet. Now when he send back, if you click one time, it will go back. Now he has the source address and MAC address, everything he is having. So he will send the ICMP packet. If you see, this is the ICMP packet now. If you keep your mouse here, ICMP. So ping is sending, but first time he don't know the MAC address, this PC1. So he send the R packet. R packet is a broadcast packet. He's going to send to everyone, whoever is present in the network. So this is the concept of ARP. Already we learned before. So same concept we will have. What we will do here, first I will take one switch and I will drag and drop here, and now let me cancel this one cable and I will connect with the switch. So how I can connect, just click here, take this automatic cable, connect from this to this, and then connect from here to here. Now I have two computers. You can take more than two also, no issue. And already this this computer is having the information. If you go here and write here ARP-A, ARP-A, you can ARP-A, actually they, okay, because we connected the switch, that's why they don't have the information now. So they are going to send the ARP packet again. So if you see, this port go up, this port go up. Now if this PC want to talk with this PC, switch should also know. What switch should know? This is the interface F0 by 1 and this is another interface F0 by 2. These are the interface of the switch. So switch should know this, in my interface F0 by 1 is connected to this computer and his MAC address is this one. Same thing he should know, my interface F0 by 2 is connected to one device whose MAC address is this one. Switch should know that one. Then only he can send the frame. Then only he can send the packet. If switch don't know anything, then again switch need to do the broadcast. So switch should know what MAC address is connected to which interface. Like example, switch should know my interface F0 by 2 is connected to this MAC address, and my interface F0 by 2 or F0 by 1, whatever the interface, it is connecting to which MAC address. Switch should know that one. If he know, then only he can send the information. Example, you are saying I want to talk with this computer. So in the packet you will send what you will send. You will send your IP, this guy IP, your MAC address, and this guy MAC address. Switch is working only on the MAC address. So when this packet come to switch, when this frame, switch is going to check where you need to go. You need to go to this MAC address. So he will check his MAC table. There is a MAC table in the switch. He will check the MAC table where this MAC address is present. In the MAC table, it will show you this MAC address is connected to this interface. So he will see, okay, this MAC address they want to go. Okay, my interface, this one is connected to this MAC address. So then he will forward the frame here. But if switch is not having that entry, then switch will send that frame to everyone. So it will go to all the interface, whatever present in the switch. All the guys will reject, and whoever is having the correct MAC address, that guy is going to reply. When he reply, it come back to switch. So switch will say, okay, this guy is replying, so this MAC address belongs to this guy, so I will put entry, my interface F0 by 2 is connected to this MAC address, and he will put the entry there. Next time when you send him, like when you want to talk the same computer, switch will not do the broadcast, he will not send to any other interface, he will send directly, because switch is having the entry. If anyone want to talk to this MAC address, this is connected to my this interface. So directly he will send. No, he will not do broadcast to any other point. And switch, if you are not talking for 5 minutes, if you are not talking for 5 minutes, these guys again, so switch will delete that entry. And again when you start talking, switch will do the broadcast. He will send here, he will send to all other interface, first packet. And when the correct guy will reply, he will again store that one, saying that one, this MAC address is connected to my this interface. Till 5 minutes he will remember. If anyone is using that one, so more than 5 minutes he will remember until anyone is using. If no one is using, he will wait for 5 minutes. After that he is going to erase that entry from the MAC address table. How we can check the MAC address table? I will show you here. If you go to the CLI, and here you will write, first you will go here inside enable, If you want to do some basic configuration, you can do host name SW1. So what I done, just I change the name of the router, and I can write exit. I am here. If I want to save, I will write WR to save the configuration. Now if I want to check the MAC address table, I will write show MAC address table. Show MAC address. I wrote show MAC add, and I press tab keys, automatically all the thing came here. When I press enter, if you see here, nothing is present in this table. All table is empty because they are not talking to each other. When they start talking, switch is going to do first time broadcast, and then he is going to store the information here. What is present in the MAC address table? You have the VLAN. This belongs to which VLAN? What is the MAC address of that one? And the type, how they learn that interface, dynamic or static, and which port. Example, this MAC address is connected to this port, like this MAC address is connected to this port. He will has the entry in that one, but now they are not talking to each other, so we don't have any entry. So what I can do, I can take some more computer also. Let me take one more or two more. So we can do this lab. We can say this is a MAC address table.